Here we go. Whoa, buddy, what do you have right here?
Thomas Trackmaster.
Thomas Trackmaster. Pretty cool. It's like all over the house, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are we gonna start a train or not?
We don't have any Trackmasters.
We don't have any Trackmasters? Oh, great. What are we gonna do then?
Whistle for them.
Whistle for them? Okay. Do I hear them or not?
I know where they are.
Where are they? Let's go get them.
No.
Come on. Wow, this track's huge. Whoa. The Thomas Superstation. I think there's plenty of Trackmasters here, isn't there?
There's Ace.
Wow, there's Ace, yeah. Look at this Superstation. I think this Superstation is super heavy right now because look at how many Trackmasters. And, whoa, it's got even Thomas Minis on here. What about, are there Taken Plays or Adventures on here too somewhere? Yeah. Or the new push-alongs?
There's over here.
Whoa, here they are. There's Hong Mei, Big City Engine. Jane is right there. And there's Nia right there. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We gotta pick some of these Trackmasters to take to the start or something?
We're gonna remove all of these and get the ones that are that have the tenders.
Okay, let's do that then. Let's get some to ride on this track that is everywhere, okay?
Yeah.
We've got some engines, right? We've got, who do we have right here?
Glow in the Dark Edward, Gordan, Yong Bao,
James,
Hiro, and Emily.
And Emily, all right. So let's start them up. Oh no, Nia, what's Nia doing? Nia's going the wrong way. Oh, we've already got accidents right in the beginning. Oh, whew, that was a close one. Bridge went out. Okay, so this one's going straight right here. Okay. Going down the track. Oh no, the tender fell off. But I got it. There we go. Wow, this track is huge. Okay, there goes Gordan. Gordan. There we go. Okay, here comes Edward. We got any more coming? Oh, there's Nia. Here comes Nia and Yong Bao. Okay, they're gonna go under the tunnel of the nightstand. Oh, they're coming through the tunnel right there. Oh, right into a siding. There we go. All right. Oh no! Attack of the kitty! Attack of the kitty! Here comes James. Let's put Yong Bao down. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna push his tender along. Oh, it's still going in here. I missed them. Look at the other ones. Whoa, there they go. And they're coming around. And they're going right into Kid in the Shed. What? Here they go. There it goes.
I'm the best.
Wow, this track is the biggest. Whoa.
so cool speed. So
and they're coming out of Tidmouth Sheds. Whoa. So they go through Tidmouth Sheds into a messy closet, around the track, through the demolition set. And here they come.
Here they go.
Oh no, we got action.
Here. This one's going this way.
Okay. Oh no, baby! Giant baby foot.
It's Bigfoot. Look at that.
I know, Emily. Here, put that on the track.
Emily has to get that her tender.
There we go. Oh, the kitty's watching. Make sure that
Make sure there's no mice.
Make sure there's no mice bothering the engines, right? Okay. Here goes Emily. Man, so then they go in and out of there. Then they turn right and come and go back to the Superstation.
No!
Oh no! We got it. We got an accident. There we go.
No!
Hey!
No!
Oh no!
Gold farm they're passing.
Oh, here we go.
They're going to the Superstation. Edward's up first.
Whoa! Here they come.
Here comes James. He's coming to Farmer McColl's farm.
He is? Oh yeah, there he is. He's going right past it, isn't he?
Hey!
Whoa!
What's going on?
And then they reach the superstation. Can they? Oh no, James didn't make it. He didn't have enough power or something. Let's see if Emily can make it.
James!
Okay, Emily, chugga, 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 chugga. She's making it. She's making it. She made it.
And James is making it!
Alright.
Oh no, Gordan! Oh!
Alright.
Hey, let's try this.
Oh no, that is trouble. Are they coming down? Yeah.
Edward's going boating!
Edward's going boating!
Oh, he is going boating. Oh, that's right. Then you gotta reset it quick. But they gotta
They gotta wait their turn.
They can't use their tenders, can they?
No, they can't.
Going across the boat. Man, this is the biggest track ever. There we go. They all made it safely across the ocean.
Here comes Emily.
Alright, hit Emily. There we go. Come on, Emily. Across the ocean you go. Nice job. She made it. Okay, I want to see what happens down here. We gotta see what happens with Emily. Okay, here she comes. Oh, reset. Oh, looks like we have to reset this right here. There we go. Oh, Emily's stuck in a tornado. There we go. Here comes Emily. All past the old Tekken plays. Wow. And there's James. He went through the tornado too.
I'm the fastest way to get on Sodor!
That's right, that's James. Okay, so then they go down this track, and then they go under the bed. What? Oh man. There goes James under the bed, and I think he missed his tunnel. His tunnel should be flipped over. That'll probably work. Okay. So then they come out of the bed, and then they go this way, and people are still riding across the boat. And then there's a stopper right here. Alright, go along, James. Toby's riding the boat too. Oh, here's Emily. Oh, and then they come in here. And around the bend. And it looks like Edward and Gordan and James are the first ones back to the start. And they're coming right here to the bookshelf to read some books, right?
Yeah, this is where they stop.
This is where they stop. Okay, here comes Emily. Okay.
Look,
There you go, there's Emily. She made it back. Yeah, this is Henry, right?
Yeah.
Wood.
Yeah, he can work on the track.
That's right. Oh, there. Shima made it across. Oh, she crashed. She crashed. Let's reset this boat for somebody. Is anybody else coming? Turbo Diesel's riding the boat across. There we go. He's right. Oh no! We've got trouble right here. There we go. Oh no, that was an accident. He was trying to swim back across the ocean. Put it right here. Good. Alright, Diesel made it. Wow. Through the last stretch. And Yong Bao makes it back to the reading station, right? What's Harold doing? He's flying around. He's flying around looking for accidents, right? Make sure nobody's in trouble, right? Okay, here comes Percy and Spencer.
Wait, Ishima!
There we go. And then we got a baby thief that just picks up engines and puts them down. Okay, here comes Ishima.
Racing Percy!
Here comes Racing Turbo Percy. And they're in and out of the bathroom, and they're coming right here to the bookshelf to get a good book.
No.
Oh no, we got Stealing Baby again. Stealing Train Baby. Train Stealing Baby. There's Percy. regular, and there's a turbo Percy.
And Diesel, they have to make
There we
it
go.
back.
Keep going. Oh no, then Diesel crashed. Come on, Toby. And Diesel and Ace. Ace is like, I'm just gonna drive on the track instead of driving on roads. Okay, and then they all get back here to the bookshelf.
Let's go.
All right.
That was fun. Let's do some more.
Okay, yeah, let's do some more. Come on, get some more trains. Let's go.
Flying Scotsman, Steven, Mike, Lexi, Monkey Mania Thomas, and Diesel 10.
Oh, those are
And
good
he's
ones
the
to start with.
king this time.
He's the king this time. Yep, Monkey Mania Thomas. He's a new one. Okay. All right, ready to go. Here comes the Flying Scotsman, Gordan. Oh no, he's already got an accident. Oh no, he's got 2 tenders, doesn't he? Okay, there goes Steven. Steven's going straight. Flying Scotsman's going under the dresser. Oh no, he crashed already.
They're all right away from Diesel.
Here we go. Come on, Mike. Oh no, Mike.
You can't do it.
Oh no, Lexi.
Like
There we go. Oh, she's crashing. Okay, here we go. Here she comes.
Off the rails.
She is. Oh no, there we go. I fixed her. Okay, oh no, what's going on with this track? Everybody's running into this corner right here. Going down here. Here they go through the jewel field, right?
Yeah, this is outer space world.
Outer space world. Oh no. In outer space world, Lexi crashed.
She's gonna go for the tunnel.
Oh no, Lexi's just stuck on a circle track. Flying Scotsman and Diesel. And they're coming around. There we go, they're still going. Push them through. First one that did the sheds is Monkey Thomas. And then Diesel 10. And the Flying Scotsman. Okay. And they go through the demo docks.
I'm gonna get you, burnt stone. Mike! It's so slow.
Monkey Mania Thomas is flying. There we go. There goes the Flying Scotsman.
Steven!
They're all going really fast.
And Mike and Lexi. Mike is so slow.
Steven, hurry up. Who are we waiting on? Oh, Mike is going really slow, isn't he? Here's Lexi. She's making it. Come on, Lexi. The engine that's backwards. Come on, Mike. You can do it. Okay, here we go.
The engines.
Where are they at? Oh, here we go. Here's Diesel 10. Oh no, Monkey Thomas fell. He crashed. Flying Scotsman coming around. Run into your knee. There you go. They're gonna make it all the way back. Come on, Monkey Thomas. Right past Farmer McCall's farm. There we go, all the way up, and he's off the track. Oh, look at that wheelie he pulled. And there's Diesel. Oh no. Oh no, Diesel. Come on, Diesel, you can make it. You can make it. Thomas just did a wheelie. And the Flying Scotsman, come on, pull your tenders, Flying Scotsman, and he did it. Alright. Okay, let's see him go down. Oh, he didn't make it all the way. He's stuck. Oh, look at this. Diesel 10 is trying to crawl up the station.
It's Pitchfork.
There we go. Okay, who's riding the boat first?
Thomas.
There we go. All right, here comes Diesel.
Whoa,
Diesel's
like
riding
bubble,
across the
bubble,
ocean.
bubble. It's getting boat sick.
There we go. Okay, oh, Lexi. Lexi's in trouble.
She can't have her tender.
That's right, she's got to take her tender off.
Take your tender off.
Take her tender off to ride the boat. No tenders allowed on this boat.
Yeah. Maybe they should put a sign there so they can know.
They should. Okay, and she made it across the ocean. It's the Flying Scotsman right here. Oh, watch out, Samson. There we go. And we're still waiting on Mike. Here comes Mike finally. There we go. Oh, come on, Mike. Are you gonna make it? Are you gonna make it, Mike? Are you gonna make it? Come on, Mike. Flying Scotsman's going across the boat. Oh, there's Mania Thomas already. Oh, Monkey Thomas crashed.
He was the first one.
Oh. There we go. Start up.
He was waiting for his turn.
He was waiting his turn.
He's going really slow.
Yep. It's a long trip across the ocean. That's for sure.
Diesel 10!
There's Diesel 10 coming back through. Here's Samson. He's coming down. Whoa, who's riding the tornado? It's a Flying Scotsman. He really was flying, wasn't he? Because he was on the tornado. There we go. He's coming through. Oh, here comes Samson. Into the tornado. Into the tornado. Woo, it's a whirlwind. Samson? Samson, go. There we go. He's coming back through.
He went on the water.
He's gonna come through this tornado and just crash his tender.
Yeah. Hey, let's go to the sky.
Out of my way.
Out of my way. I want to go through the tornado first. Okay, Hiro. And crash. Woo, this is the craziest tornado ever. There goes Mike through it. Hiro made it. Mike, you are so slow. Mike, come on. Go. I guess we need to put some new batteries in Mike. Okay, here's Hiro. He's coming around. Oh, he got stuck. There we go. Ah! Giant jacket. What was that?
Hey, look.
Stuck. There we go. Okay. The final stretch. Oh.
Baby monster, stop it!
Okay, here comes Samson. He finished up, and he didn't even start this race, did he?
Yeah.
And Flying Scotsman made it. All right.
Because he's so slow.
Yes, everybody made it back. All right, everybody made it back. Yes. All right, so this Superstation and all these tracks, pretty cool. You did a good job building.
Yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a big long track, and we got tenders right here, and it just keeps going and going and going. So if you have a lot of tracks, you can just keep building. And wait a second, I hear an engine. Oh, Steven! Steven, what are you doing over here? You're going the wrong way. There we go. Now we got you going
the wrong direction.
All right.
Let's skip him over all this.
Skip, 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 skip. Level up, skip, 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 skipping, 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 skipping. All the way to the end. That was the fastest ending ever. And come on, Steven. And Steven made it, yeah. Oh, well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out our channel for more Thomas and Friends Trackmaster videos and cool track builds. And check out all these taking place. And for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?